Is a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this session we are going to discuss the topic message authenticity. Right, it is a very important topic in the cryptography and network security, and many times asked in many kind of exam the difference between message authenticity, confidentiality, and message integrity. Right, so by watching one by one lectures from our video channel, you can get the complete concepts, right? In just our previous lecture where we have discussed the digital signature, its complete architecture, procedure, functionalities, how it is used, how it is work, why it is used, right? So if you didn't watch that, please go through that video and after that come to this video so that you can get complete understanding of the topics, right? So let's start the topic message authenticity. So I try to discuss it starting from the definition, and then I will try to explore it via its architecture, right? So message authentication, it is a term which is used in information security or the network security, which simply means that message is received from original source or not. Means there may be chances that receiver might receive the message from some other, means there is a need to check the authenticity of the sender, that whether the message is coming from the original source or not. So for that there is a methodology which is called as message authenticity. So what is that? Let us discuss. Suppose it is a sender here. Suppose it is a sender here. Okay. Now he will try to send a message to the receiver. Suppose it is a receiver. Okay. So at the initial level, message will got created. Message is nothing but your data file. So we are understanding initially like just simply as a message. Then there is a need of creating a MAC. There is a need of creating a MAC. What is MAC? MAC is, you can simply say that it is a simple algorithm, or we can say that the full form of, if you want to explore it or abbreviate, you can abbreviate it like a message authentication code. Message authentication code. So we need to create a MAC here, and how we will create MAC? By using shared secret key. By using shared secret key. By using shared secret key, we will create MAC. So at this level, message is there plus message authentication code is there. This is nothing but simply you can understand it like a key. After that, there is a need to verify the MAC. There is a need to verify message authentication code. And how you will check? We just need to check it with that simple shared secret key which we have used earlier while creating MAC. If they got same, means message authenticity is clear here, and the message will be transferred to the receiver. So it is a complete procedure of message authenticity. And in just our previous lecture we have understand the topic digital signature, right? So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel so that in our next lecture also we are trying to discuss message confidentiality and message integrity, so you can't miss that and get important terminologies from outside. Thank you so much guys, have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.